Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Marissa Ray. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Today's star of the show are these gorgeous French curl braids. I love these braids, y'all. They are so adorable. I did them in kind of a medium but more small around the perimeter. These took me 2 days to complete, but I have my 18-month-old baby with me at home. My husband was at work most of the day. Yeah, 2 days. And of course that includes plenty of break sessions, plenty of eating sessions. Just know that literally probably half of my day was doing my hair, half of my day was taking care of my son, but I think they're absolutely adorable. So the hair, I purchased this hair from Amazon. It's listed on my Amazon storefront. I will link it in the description box, and the specific name is the 26-inch French curly braiding hair 8 packs synthetic hair extensions from the brand LMZIM. It's in the color 1B. As I said, it came with 8 packs, but I only used 6.5. A key point with this type of hair, since it's the French curly hair and the ends are curled already, you have to be very careful when you're separating the pieces of the hair because the curls can get very tangled. I literally wasted probably half of one of the bags of hair because it got so tangled. Once I knew how to maneuver through it, it's manageable, it's doable, but just keep that in mind. So all the products and tools that I used in this video and just to complete this hairstyle are going to be listed down in the description box. My 3-way mirror that I use for the back of my head, my combs, my hair clips, my hair ties, the gel I use, and of course the braiding hair. Make sure you follow your girl on all my social media platforms. I'll leave it here on the screen and down below in the description as well. Let me show you how I achieved these beautiful braids. I'm starting off with 3 pieces of braiding hair to add into my braid, and I add about 4 to 5 pieces total, just depending on the size of the braid and how long I need it to be. So I applied the shining gem to the root of my hair and throughout the section, and I braid 1 time on my real hair before I add in the extension, and I add it between my pointer and thumb finger. Then I just continue down with the braid 1 time again before I add in my 2nd piece, and then before I add in my 3rd piece of hair, and so on and so on. It just depends on how thick I need the braid to be. For the perimeter of my head, I did add probably about 4 pieces, just depending on how long I needed it to be. If I needed to add more pieces of hair towards the end of the braid to make it a little longer, then I did that, or I left it shorter, just depending on where it's at, because I did want to get the layered look. But you do have to be quite careful when you're braiding with this hair because there's many tangles that can come up. As you see, the ends are curled, so it's very easy for this hair to get tangled. But a very quick and easy solution for me was to take some scissors and chop the ends of the hair that's tangled. Okay, I did not want to stress myself, and it all looks good once it's done and complete together, so it didn't matter to me. So yeah, I'm going to repeat this process again for the last braid on my hair. I do like to apply the shining gem again to the ends of where my hair stops, so that when I continue braiding, I prevent my hair from sticking out of the braid. My hair is very silky and like a very soft texture, so by the end of 4 weeks, it was coming out of the braid anyway, but it does help it look neat in the beginning. So to knot the ends of my hair, or the ends of the braid, I'm just taking a very tiny section out of the end, wrap it around my finger like a knot twice. I do that, and then I tie the small piece like a bow tie, or like I'm tying a shoe, twice as well. So I try to make sure it's very secure, especially since I'm not going to be dipping the ends of this hair. But it's quite simple to do. It just takes a while, obviously. This is a lot of braids and I'm doing it on myself. The one thing that really helps me though is to have that 3-way mirror that I have and that I told you guys about in the beginning. That's going to be down below in the description. I use that in the bathroom while I'm doing my hair. I just put it on the back of the door. But also, y'all, since I have my son, I am not super strict on how my parts are, especially in the back. I mainly wanted my parts in the front to be perfect. The middle and back, I did not care. So all I did was part my hair as best as I could. Then I came and sat down on the couch to continue the braid because I was not finna stress myself, okay? I was already doing a lot. I wanted to make sure I was having a peaceful time while doing it, and I did. So I'm gonna do the braid, the same process again, and I'll let you guys keep watching. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I hope you learn a thing or two and try to do your own braid. Or if you're just here for inspo, I got you, girl. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. We are growing and thriving, and I love that for us. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.